Show the camera. Start drawing. Draw like that. Draw a picture. Remember how I showed you? Oh, that's good. Yeah, it helps to lick the pen sometimes. We all do that. Yes, good job. Very good. Feel this button. Yeah, good job. Okay, do a squirt. Good job, Toto. Yeah, you're writing pretty. You're signing your name. Tupac Shakur Adamson. That's what your brother named you, Tristan Adams, in Paris. Good job. Yes, you will teach a lot of people how to write. That's good. Good job, Tata. Watch him, Peyton. See how good he's at writing now? He learned. He learned not just to tap the pen, to draw. Good boy. So smart. Yeah. You want a coloring book now? Okay. I'll buy you a coloring book. Oh, Peyton's got a monkey coloring book for you. You want it? And you can draw in the colors.